you very much for staying to the end of the video. This is just part 1. I wanted to separate the unboxing, the try on into one, and then I'm going to do like a deep dive review because this is my second purchase from Manière de Voir. I think the first purchase was in 2019 or 2017. I'm not too sure. And a lot has changed. I think also even in the quality of items. So if you're interested in that, make sure you click the links that you're seeing all around you in the description, up here somewhere, and the video is suggested somewhere. But yeah, thank you so much for staying to the end, and let me know in the comment section what you think of Manière de Voir, what's been your experience. If you're interested in the deep dive, hop over to the next video, part 2.